after tomorrow, from Wednesday, we start our syllabus.
Okay, ma'am.
2 days we will discuss the answers of the holiday homework today and tomorrow. So this is the common instruction I'm going to give you all. Let everyone join, then I'll give the common instructions for everyone how you will have to check your work. Okay, let everyone join. We'll wait 1 or 2 minutes more. Please be ready with your holiday homework worksheets wherever you have done, either in the worksheet or in the notebook or in the Google Doc, wherever you have done. Open that because we are going to check the answers today.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Asta.
When we have to send maths
Work
homework? Yes.
you will send after checking. Those who have sent, it's okay. Those who have sent me. Those who have not sent till now, they have to check the answers in these 2 days, today and tomorrow. And
Ma'am, I have to
after
send to
checking,
Gmail.
after no, not in Gmail, wherever it is posted.
Ma'am, to Kevari ma'am, no?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, to in that classroom, your classroom only.
Good morning, ma'am. Has given us your homework math.
Yes?
Kevari ma'am has given us your math homework.
Yeah, there only you have to attach.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. So, how was your holidays, children? You all enjoyed? Hope you all enjoyed it.
Ma'am, super.
Here in Surat only. I hope you all were in Surat only. Or you went somewhere out?
No, ma'am.
In
No,
Surat,
ma'am.
in Surat only, no? Good. Stay home, stay safe.
No, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 11 o'clock. I will wait 1 more minute and then I'll start the class. And again, I'm repeating, please be ready with your holiday homework wherever you have done, either in the notebook or in the worksheet or in the Google Doc, wherever you have done. Please open that. We are going to discuss the answer. And one more option, if you have not done till now, then you will not simply sit in the class. You open the revision notebook, the long revision notebook, and you write the answers along with me when I will discuss. Don't sit simply in the class. Am I clear to you all? If you have not done till now the holiday homework, you will only write the answers in your revision notebook, not the full question.
Ma'am, but I have
Ma'am, we have to
ma'am,
do
but
the
I
homework
have
instead.
a notebook only, no?
I think you students have forgotten how what are the class rules. If one child is speaking, the another has to keep their mic off.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Vedi, yes, tell me, Vedi, your mic is on. You want to tell me
I
something?
have I have done the holiday homework, so I have all to write in the revision notebook answers.
No, no, no. Those who have done, they only check the answers where they have done.
Okay, ma'am.
The way you present the notebook to your teacher, no, keep that notebook in front of you. How the teacher check your answer, same way you need to check your answers. And please stand with your cameras on. Sit with your cameras on. Hare, Pritika, Dwani, Vihan Vyas, Hiya Verma. If your cameras are off,
Ma'am, I have done in docs, so how can I check? I will just see the answer and
yeah,
verify it.
yes. Just see the answer and verify it. And if it is wrong, so you can change it also the answer there. Okay. You delete that
Excuse
answer
me, ma'am.
and then correct write the correct answer there.
My camera is not working. I have switched it on, but it is.
Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to present the screen. Wait a minute, let me take the attendance for a minute and then
I'm tapping with the black pen. It's okay.
check with the pencil. Everyone should have pencil in their hands. No pens. Okay, I'm going to present this.
Hardly have to check.
Which child is asking this? Dheer, you have joined late. Next time, join on time. I'm repeating it again. Mute yourself for a minute. I am repeating it again what you have to do, everyone. Everyone, please take out your holiday homework wherever you have done. If you have not done also, then take out the revision notebook and write the correct answer there. And if you have done, what you have to do is, if your answer is right, put a small right tick near to the answer that this is right. And if it is wrong also, put a small cross and write the correct answer near to it. And after checking your all answers today and tomorrow, both the days, we will discuss the summer holiday homework answers. After checking your answer, you need to resubmit your work again. Where your class homework is given in the classwork, there you will submit this checked work again. Am I clear? Okay, I'm going to present it now. And please see the answers and check along with me. Yes. In between, no, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Deep, tell me. Deep. Okay.
I want to ask.
Deep, you facing some network issue, my
Ma'am, where we have to send the checked work?
We have to. My I have to writing that. Mommy said writing the.
Deep, do one thing. You ask your query in the chat box because you're facing some network issue and you're not audible clearly to me. Pritika, you send your work to me where the teacher has sent you the holiday homework. No, there only with the maths heading. This is the maths work and then send me.
Okay, ma'am.
Dear, you have to type your query in the chat box. I will read it from there. Okay, the largest six-digit number is, which is the largest
1 lakh.
six-digit number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. The greatest, the smallest six-digit number is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Mute your mic, everyone, please. If your mics are on. Shivani, mute yourself, please. Mohammed, mute yourself, please. The greatest six-digit number is, who will read this number?
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Yes.
9,99,999.
Very good. Next child, I will call the child name. That child will read the answer for me. Arav Hapani. Arav Hapani.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me in immediate reply. The smallest seven-digit number is.
Smallest 7-digit number.
Which is the smallest seven-digit number?
10 lakh.
Yes. The greatest seven-digit number is. Will be given by Arush Miani. Arush Miani, the greatest seven-digit number. Greatest number always have a relation with 9. How can be 10 lakh then? Priya Verma, your mic is disturbing me a lot. Arush Miani. Priya Verma.
Ma'am, my mic is off.
Okay. Now I will go to Gujarati. Children, I am discussing. This will be the greatest seven-digit number is 99,99,999. Always the greatest number is having the relation with nines. And put the comma according to the Indian system when you are writing the smallest and the greatest number. The smallest 8-digit number is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. The greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99,000, 99 lakh 99,999. You will read in this way. Please learn how to read the numbers. Don't say 9999. No, it will be 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. 1 crore has 7 zeros. The successor of 9 the successor of ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 9 lakh 99,999 is 10 lakh. One's period has 3 places. You know how one's period is having 3 places? Ones, tens, 100. Till here it will come in one's period. Then 1,000, 10,000. Like this way it will come in thousands period. So one's period is having 3 places. If you have learned the place value chart. Next is 10,000 equals to 100 hundreds. 64,357 you will add what? So you will get the same number. In any number when you add 0 you will get the same number. The place value of 0. 0 place value is always 0. You will not say 1, 10, 100,000. You will not say that 0 is having 1,000 place value. No. That will be the place of 0. But place value of 0 is always 0. The 8-digit number begins with crore. The 7-digit number begins with 10 lakh. Because the 8-digit place is crore and the 7-digit number having a place is 10 lakh.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have done 10 lakhs in numbers, so is it right or wrong?
10 lakhs in numbers? No. Please write it in the words only.
Ma'am, I have written 10 lakh, 10 written in 10 written in number and lakh written in that spelling. That is correct.
Yeah, that is correct. The predecessor of a number is 1 less than the given number. Whenever you subtract 1 from any number, you will get the predecessor that you have already learned in our previous classes. The successor of this number is 73,000, 7,35,999 is 7,36,000. When you add 1 in this, you will get this number. The place value of 0 in any place is always 0, as I have discussed previous also. Till here, everyone clear? Show me thumbs up. Okay. The place value of 4 is this 40,000. You will not only write 10,000. No, 10,000 is the place of this 4. But when this 4 will multiply by 10,000, you will get 40,000. Always the number will multiply by its place, then only the place value will come. Am I clear to you all? Don't write only 10,000 is the place value. 10,000 is the place of this number. But what is the place value? That number will multiply by its place, will only get the place value. 4 multiplied by 10,000 is 40,000. The greatest 6-digit number by using this 987410. The least 6-digit number by using these numbers is 20. Why 0 is coming at the second place? Why it's not at the first place? Because it's the smallest number. Why it is not coming at the first place? But whenever we write the 0 at the first place, whenever you write 0 here, it will be not the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will not be 6-digit number. It will be then 5-digit number. Why? Because 0 at the first place will not be counted as the number. Then the remaining digits will be counted. So always remember, when you write the smallest number, you always write the 0 at the second place. Am I clear till here to everyone? Next, go to the successor of a number is, the successor of a number is 1 more than the given number. For example, if the number is 5, when you add 1, then you will get the 6, means you are adding 1 to that number. The predecessor of 4,20,200 is Predecessor means you are subtracting 1. So it will be 4,20,199. The place value of 8. Again, you need to find out the place value. You will not only write the lakh, you will multiply 8 by 1 lakh. That place value is 8 lakhs.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have only write lakhs, so it will be right or wrong?
Wrong. It will you because you are writing only the place. You're not writing the place value. Eight lakh 40,990 minus 1. When you do, you will get 8,40,979. Let me take the attendance once more and then we discuss the answers. So when you subtract 1, you will get 8,40,979. The numbers being added are called addends. The predecessor of this number, when you subtract 1 from this number, you will get 2,499. The place value of 7, again place value is coming, so you will not only write the lakh, you will write 7 multiplied by 1 lakh is 7 lakh. The successor of this, see if your answer, this option is right, then you put a right tick on the question that your answer is right. Am I audible to you all clearly? Show me thumbs up. Yes. The successor of 5,81,609 is 5,81,610 because we are doing successor, and in successor you need to add 1. The smallest 7-digit number forming this is 30,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 30 lakh, 45,679. Which is the greatest numeral in this? It is 20 lakh, 64,405 is the greatest number. Now come to the question number 6. 70 plus 20 plus 10 is 100. And on the other side is also 20 plus 70 plus 10 is also 100. So we will use the equal to sign because both the sides are same. 284 plus what you will do so that after equal to sign the both sides should be same. So what is this missing here? 640?
45.
Yes. Go to the next. The number that comes just after a number is called its. The number that comes just after a number is called its
Successor.
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 yes.
Successor.
Yes. The predecessor of 10 lakh is 9,99,999. The successor of 99 lakh. So you will add the one number,
crore.
1 crore. Yes. Go to the question number 3. Express the following in words. It's 5 lakh. Shivani, will you read this next one, B1, in the question number 3?
Yes, ma'am. B1 is 9,03,400.
Yes. The next will be read by. Yes, Dhwani.
Then we have to send this worksheet to you again.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can read.
I want your answers to be tick. आपके answers tick लग के then you have to send me again.
Ma'am, I can read.
Who? Yes, Pritika, please read this. Next one.
6,25,043.
C1.
6,25,000.
3 lakh.
Ma'am, I think quarter.
3,84,620.
Yes. Next child will read. Dhwani will read the last one, D1.
Yes, ma'am. 6,25,043.
Please remember, do not use and in the number names. Okay. Write the following number in figures. 78,006. Wait, and will not come. 78,006. So you will write 78,006 because nothing is at the 100 place and nothing is at the tens place. So we write 0 and then 6 at the ones place. Please check your answer till here. It's correct, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I repeat again, I am giving you 2 days timing. If you have not done till now maths work, do it today and tomorrow, and then check your answers in the class when
I'm
I'm
sure
putting.
I want to check it.
Wait, Advani, wait. I'm also explaining something. That also you need to listen. Okay. So if you have not done any child, if they have not done their holiday homework, I'm giving you 2 days timings today and tomorrow. You complete it. Check your answers in the class when I'm explaining. When I will send you the answer key, then also you can check your answers, but send me. It is your revision only, right? It is a kind of a revision which you are. I will really prefer that you will and appreciate your work also when you will do this. 6,03,114, 4,05,082. So 4,05,082, how you will write? Please check this. I will go to the question number 3 now. Can I move?
Yes,
Write the place value of underlined digit in the each of the following. Place value, again I feel place value, face value, number names, ascending order, descending order, comparison. This only why I'm asking, because I want your good revision in this. Clear?
Ma'am, there is in question in express the no. Write the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. D question is not there.
In my it is there. The in your it is not there.
No, ma'am. In worksheet, the D question is there,
Then
but in your answers, it's not there.
no, D is there, na Yera. Can you see my cursor here?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Right, the place value, again it is coming place value. So it is not the 10 lakh, it will be 8 multiplied by 1 lakh will give you 8 lakh. 5 multiplied by 10,000 will give you 50,000, and 0 always has a 0 place value, and 6 is on the 1,000 place, so 6 multiplied by 1,000 is 6,000. Clear, everyone, till here? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear. I will move forward now. Arrange in ascending order. What do you mean by the ascending order? How you will arrange the numbers in the ascending order? Is small to big or the big to small? Jignesh, you not able to listen me today?
ma'am. Big to small. Big to small.
Ma'am, ascending order is, ma'am, ascending is small to big. Small to big.
Small.
Small
Ma'am,
to
ascending
big.
is small to big.
Yes, ascending order is small to big. And
Small to big.
And descending is big to small.
yes, please check your answers. Then check the question number 4 and 5 is for descending. Yes.
In arrange in ascending order. I have the question 651 65 6 5 6 comma 5 8 comma
That is
7 and
descending.
1.
This is descending order. Can you see in my? Yes. Can you see
Yes, ma'am.
this? Can you see this is the descending order, which is 658 7 9 1, and this is 1 4 7 6 3 4 is the ascending order. Now clear? Ready?
Yes.
And please turn on your camera and sit.
Ma'am,
Ready?
your screen is getting display again and again.
Because I have to see you all also. That's why my screen is distracting again and again. Okay. Please check this. Write the greatest and the smallest 7-digit number from the given digits. When you are writing the greatest number, arrange the numbers from small to big. Greatest number means you need to write the first greatest number. Smallest means you need to write the smallest number first, means small to big. Can I move the screen now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You are still checking? Please check. Yes.
Ma'am, scroll it down.
Yes. Write in the expanded form. You all know that expanded form also we have discussed how to write the numbers in the expanded
Ma'am, I
form.
take out print, but it doesn't come C1. C1
C1,
didn't came.
C1 is not there, my dear. This is your answer
The
sheet.
extended form, ma'am.
In the expanded form, C1 will come when I will full scroll the sheet.
Ma'am, show the 7. Ma'am, and not this in the print.
It is not there in the print.
It is there, but I take out print, so one didn't come.
So maybe it's your print mistake, my dear. But when I will show you the worksheet, see the worksheet here. This is the actual worksheet which you received, right? So in the expanded form, there are 3 numbers, A, B, and C. 3 questions are there in this. Can you check Dhwani now? Can you check in my work? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. No.
If it is in my work, then maybe it is a mistake of your printout.
Show it, ma'am. I will write it in, and
Yes.
I'm doing it.
Yes. This is the question number C, and this is the answer. Write the expanded form. There are 3 sums in this, A, B, and C, and the answers of 3 sums are given here. How we will do the expanded form? We expand the numbers according to their place values. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So it will be 4 lakh, then 80,000, then 3,000, then 200, then 90, then 3. Or the other way of expanding a number is
Ma'am, I all are right.
very,
Till 7 question.
very good. Someone has written something. Okay.
Ma'am, please
6 number.
6 number.
6 number दिखाइए.
Ma'am, 6 number दिखाना 6 number.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Mohammed Kazim.
Yes.
6 number, 6 number.
This is the 6th one.
Ma'am, show the 8th one.
Let everyone complete till here, then I will move it forward. Done, Mohammed? Mohammed, can I scroll it down?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And the other way of expanding the form numbers are, you need to write the 4. Then after 4, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So you will write 5 zeros after 4. Next number after plus sign. Plus will always come when you are expanding a number. Don't think it's a number name. It's not a number name. You have to write the plus sign in between the numbers. Then write the next number 8, and after 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So with the 8, you will write 4 zeros. Then write the next number 3, and after 3, there are 1, 2, 3 digits. So write 3 zeros. After 3, there is a 2. Write 2, and after 2, there are 2 digits. So write 2 zeros. And then 9. After 9, there is 1 digit only. So write 1 0. And then is the 3, and after 3 there is no value, so you will write 3 alone. This way also you can write the expanded numbers, and when you will read this number according to the places, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So you will write 4 lakh, 8,000, 80,000, 3,000 again, because it combined makes the 83,000. So 8,000 again differently will come separately, and 3,000 separately. And 290, then 3. Got it, everyone? Can I move to the question number 8? Show me thumbs up, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it in short form. Short form is the opposite of the expanded form. Please check the answers. It's 4 crore.
8 is right.
Very good. 9th is, according to the Indian system, you need to write the comma.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the third one is 9,60,803.
Yes, it is same only. 9,60,803.
Okay, ma'am. I was doing the ninth one. Sorry.
Then come to the 9th question. You need to put the comma according to Indian system. Indian system means first you need to put a comma after 3 places, because you all know that in one period there are 3 values, right?
Ma'am, what is this link?
Which link? Who is pasting?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I biometrically pressed the whiteboard. That's
Please don't use the Jamboard right now.
Yes, ma'am, I biometrically pressed that whiteboard.
It was by mistake.
I was
Once
going in chat.
Once I will explore. First, I want to explore this whiteboard, then I will explain you, because this is just for you when I will tell you to write the answer and show me. This is for that. Okay, I will explain this also, the system, later, once we require it, once we need it. Please check the question number 9. Then come on the question number 4, fill in the blanks. The number from which another number is to be subtracted is called minuend. The number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. The answer of subtraction is always the difference. To 23,650 minus 90, then only you will get 23,560. You know how to get this answer? From this 23,650, when you minus to 23,560, you will get the difference, 90. That answer you will write here, 90. 70,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 70,000 minus 3,799 will give you 66,201. In 60 minus 15, you will get the 45. So 15 is this, the subtrahend in this. In 95 minus 30 equals to 65. The number 95 is the minuend in this. Please complete till here today. From question number 5, the word problems. If you have done the word problems in your notebook, please bring it tomorrow in the class notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
I have a doubt that of second one word problem. I can't understand that.
Okay, I will explain you right now, no problem. What number is 558,435 more than this number? When the word more than is coming, so you need to add them.
We have to add them.
Yes, if I say what number is 5 more than 4? 5 more than 4 means 4 में 5 add करोगे तो what number you will get?
9.
Yes. So what number is 58,435 more than 39,000? So you will add and you will get the answer. Word more than is coming, add. Word less than is coming, then you will subtract. Got it? Please bring the notebook tomorrow. Today we will discuss till here only.
Ma'am,
Word can I? Somebody told something to me right now. Can you please repeat? Riddhi or Dhwani? Yes, Dhwani.
can you show the screen?
Yes, I'll show you. Today we will do till here only, till the question number 4 heading, fill in the blanks. From question number 5 we will discuss tomorrow. Please bring your notebook wherever you have done the word problems. Bring it tomorrow in the class. And after completing the full discussion tomorrow, I will send this answer key. Please. Jaydeep, mute yourself, please. My dear, it's a request to you all. If you are talking with your parents, with somebody in the class, please mute yourself and then talk. Yes, Vihan Vyas, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
So what I was saying that after completing the full worksheet answer key, after explaining you complete, I will send this answer key in the classroom so that you can check your answers. And where I will send it into your maths classroom with the maths heading, right? You will not go and search in your summer holiday homework the answer key. You will find this answer key in your maths class, wherever you get your maths work. Clear with your maths heading that this is the answer key of your holiday homework. I will send this with the heading and then you can check your answers. Clear? So thank you children for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.